In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name servers on Hostinger. Quick tutorial. If you're moving your domain's DNS management to another provider, like a CDN or a different host, updating your name servers is the key step. Name servers tell the internet where to find your domain's DNS records, so changing them determines who controls things like A, CNAME, and MX records. Let's walk through it clearly and confidently. First, sign into your Hostinger account and head to the domain section. This is where all your registered domains are listed. Find the domain you want to update and open it. Inside the domain settings, look for the Domain Information tab. In that tab, locate the Name Servers area and click Change. This is where you decide who manages your DNS. You'll see two choices. Use Hostinger Name Servers keeps your domain pointed to Hostinger's DNS, which is perfect if you're hosting everything with them and want to manage records inside Hostinger. Use my own name servers hands control to another provider. Choose this option if, for example, you're using a service like Cloudflare or moving DNS to a different host. Now enter the name servers exactly as provided by your new DNS provider. You'll typically have at least two, such as nswalm.example.com and ns2.example.com. Copy and paste them carefully to avoid typos and don't add anything extra, just the names as given. If your provider lists more than two, add all of them in the available fields. When you're done, save the changes. At this point, your domain is configured to use the new name servers. As soon as the change takes effect, all DNS zone management moves to that external provider. That means any future edits to your DNS records should be made in the new provider's dashboard, not in Hostinger. One important note, DNS changes don't take effect instantly. The update needs to propagate across the internet, which can take up to 24 hours. During this time, some visitors might reach your old setup while others hit the new one, so brief website or email inconsistencies are normal. If you want to keep an eye on the process, you can use an online propagation checker like whatsmydns.net to see how the update is spreading across different regions. And that's it. You've changed your name servers on Hostinger and handed DNS control to the provider of your choice. If this walkthrough helped, consider giving it a like so others can find it too, and explore more tutorials to keep leveling up your web skills. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your online projects.